Just want to follow up. There's been a few questions recently about sponsored messages, and certainly with the news about broadcasts and how that might be changing. So I thought I'd just very quickly show you, with regards to Ad Manager, where that actually is. It may well be integrated to Manychat at some point very soon, or as this rolls out. But this is something which already exists, so perhaps it's something that you can play around with. So to find sponsored messages, here's your Ad Manager setup. Select messages, and we'll go through. I'm not going to set an ad up. I'm just going to show you where this is. And this is at ad set level. At the moment, we've got messages, and the objective is click to Messenger. What we need to do is click on the arrow, sponsored message, and then select which page you want to send it from, and we can choose from whatever page you want to send your sponsored message there. You would obviously then use various audiences. If you created an audience within Manychat of people who've taken a certain action, then you can have some really nice, super targeted sponsored messages going to people from within your subscriber list. It won't be massively expensive, and it should have a great return on investment. So there you go. That's basically how sponsored messages work as it stands right now and where they are within Ads Manager.